Solution y equal to x to the power sin x. So we need to take logarithm on the both sides. So sin x log of y. After that this sin x will come here, log of x. After that we need to differentiate both sides with respect to x. d by dx of sin x log of x, and d by dx of log of y means 1 by y. After that dy by dx, then sin x d by dx of log of x means 1 by x, then log of x sin x d by dx of sin x equal to cos of x. So then dy by dx, this y will go there, sin x by x. After that log of x cos x dy by dx. What is the value of y? X to the power sin x by x log of x cos x. Again we need to differentiate it. d by dx of dy by dx and dy by dx x to the power sin x by x log of x cos x. It will become d square by dx square. After that x to the power sin x. This formula will be applied here. d by dx of u into v, u dv by dx, v du by dx. So d by dx of sin x to the power sin x by x log of x cos x plus this will come sin x by x log of cos x. After that d by dx of x to the power sin x to the power sin x आफ्टर दैट हम लोगों को सेपरेटली डिफरेंशिएट करना है डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ साइन एक्स बाई एक्स डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ लॉग ऑफ एक्स कॉस एक्स प्लस इसको लिखना है अभी साइन एक्स बाई एक्स लॉग ऑफ कॉस एक्स डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ एक्स टू दी पावर साइन एक्स. इसका वैल्यू कितना है दिस so x to the power sin x by x log of cos x. अब इसको डिफरेंशिएट करना है x to the power sin x d by dx of x square x cos x minus sin x then d by dx of log of x into cos of x cos x log of x minus sin x plus cos of x 1 by x after that ये आएगा अभी plus sin x by x plus log of cos x x to the power sin x then sin x by x plus log of cos x. X to the power sin x x square x cos x sin x minus log of x sin x plus cos x by x plus sin x by x log of cos x x to the power sin x by x plus log of cos x. So this is the answer of d square y by dx square. Solve. तो इसका आंसर ये है.